I tried so hard and got so far, but in the
I like the fun sounds. You're the last one I had. That whole fucking right. Yeah, that's wildlife.
What's up guys, it's ReaperGT and you, as you saw in the intro, saw a whole bunch of eclipses outside, and honestly, I'm thinking about getting the eclipse. Will I get rid of the Mustang? Never. Like I said, I recorded a video about me selling the Mustang, but it got corrupted somehow, so I'm gonna remake that video, so I'm not gonna say anything about it yet. But thinking about getting an eclipse soon. I almost bought one yesterday, but they had a bad problem, and the guy wasn't going any cheaper on it, and the car practically needed towed because it wasn't safe. But yeah, gonna hold off on that. Trying to find another one. Thinking about getting a 2G Eclipse. I love Eclipses, I've always loved them, but I'm more of a muscle car guy. But for like a daily / another project, an Eclipse would be nice. But yeah, I'm hanging out with a couple of my buddies with their Eclipses. We're gonna go out to the car wash, film a little edit, and just vlog it out. So yeah, this ought to be fun. Do this on the weekends, more weekends. Do this more often. It'd be fun. Especially once I get an Eclipse, ooh, it's gonna be nice. So yeah, see you guys in a bit when we roll out. Right now we are at the car wash. You take card, right? Yeah. Alright, we are at our normal spot. Gonna do a little edit with the MITSUBISHIs. He's just sitting there chilling, watching our TikToks. But yeah, gonna film, and we'll see how this turns out.
should go, he's waiting for me. We both know it's not what it seems. We both know what's between the sheets. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on. And I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on.
Okay guys, it's been a few days later. Man, that's really bright for some reason. But either way, it's been a few days later. So sorry I didn't get an outro then, but you know, I got busy and I was tired and I've been working all week. So right now it's Wednesday, a few days later. So I'm gonna close off the video here. So if you guys like this type of content, let me know. I'm gonna try hang out with some more people and get some more vlogs out. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more of that, and if you want to see me start doing car reviews, let me know down in the comments. That would be amazing to do a car review, especially with my buddy's Eclipse, which has a turbo, and that would be the first turbo car I've ever driven, so that would be awesome. So you know, if you guys want to see that, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry the intro's kind of boring, I'm tired, just got off work. But yeah, so see you guys later, and peace out.